Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using the new ABH palette, Soft Glam. And this palette is gorgeous. It's so pretty. Yeah, I bought it the day it came out because I was like, I need that in my life. And I have it in my life, and now I love it. It's like my new child. I like it. But let me know if you guys want to see a more day-to-day makeup look with this palette, because there are so many different things that you can do with this palette, obviously. But like, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please subscribe. And I need to go take care of this dog. So make sure you follow all my links down below. Like this video and subscribe. And I will see you guys in about 0.5 seconds. So to start off, I've already primed my skin with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer and my favorite lip balm. This one is the Smith's, I don't know, it's eucalyptus, I don't know, you can get these at Sephora. Those are my fave. And I'm going to use my Huda Beauty foundation in 140 Cashew, and I'm just gonna put this on the back of my knee. I'll just do it like this. Oh no, I was having an issue with it yesterday. Okay, I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then use my Eco Tools Beauty Blender sponge thing to blend it in. Alright, now that I look like a ghost, really cute, right? I am going to go in and do my eyebrows off of camera, and then I will come back and do my eyes. Okay, so I have one eye done, so we're going to go into the other eye, and I'm going to use Soft Glam. Of course, it's brand new, it's beautiful. And I already primed my lid with my matte paint pot and Painterly, and then I set it with Tempera, all over my lid. And now I'm going to go in with Dusty Rose and a Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer, and I'm just going to put this all in my crease. So once that's blended to your liking, I'm then going to go in with Sienna, which is this color, and a more like tapered blending brush from Morphe. About to put it on that eye. And I'm just going to put this on my outer corner. Kind of patting it and then blending. And then taking a teeny tiny brush and going in with Cypress Umber, which is the super dark brown. And I'm just going to put this on my very, like, right here where I'm doing it. Like outer V. And then I'm just going to keep going in with the Cypress Umber and darkening it to how I like. And then going for the lid color, I'm going to use Sultry, which is like flat color, with a flat cream shader brush from Zoeva. And I'm going to put it on dry first, and then I will wet my brush and put it on. Oh dear, that just got everywhere. And then going back with the teeny tiny brush and just blending over here. And then going back in with Dusty Rose and blending the top out. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with these three shades, so Dusty Rose, Sienna, and then a little bit of Cypress Umber on the tiny brush again. I'm going to start with the two lighter shades first. Blend up. There's actually like a lot of fallout for this palette I'm a little annoyed about, but it's nothing I can't clean up. And then I'm just going to line my eyes with this brown L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eyewear pencil. This one's just in brown. Line my top and bottom lashes with this. And then I'm going to put on my lashes and mascara and curl my lashes and stuff. And I'm using the House of Lashes Noir Fairy Light. These are really pretty. So, and I will be right back. Now that I look like I have two pretty decent black eyes, I'm going to go in with the Revlon Youth Fix Fill and Blur Concealer, and this one is in Fair, so 01. It's the latest one. It's like a pen. And I'm just going to apply this. Going in with my beauty blender, or beauty sponge. Now I'm going to set everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 130 Buff Beige. Let's get a new one. I know. Setting. And now I'm going to bronze with my NARS Lacuna bronzer. And I'm going to use the 105 Luxe highlight brush from Zoeva. And I'm actually going to contour my nose. I don't ever do this. Just feel like it'll give me something else in this video. So I look very pale. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC Sincere blush. I'm actually just going to use a big powder brush. And this is just a big Morphe brush. And kind of lathered on. And then for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with Glistening from Soft Glam. Oh, I hit the wrong thing. Hit the wrong thing. Touched the wrong thing. I'm going to use the Smashbox Spotlight palette in Pearl. This is the one with I don't even know her name. Casey Holmes. And I just mix all three together. Oh yeah. That wasn't even getting any of them. Go me. And I usually have a bigger brush, but we're just going to use a small brush. And highlight. Oh yeah. I'm going to take the MAC Strip Down liner and line my lips. And then taking this new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 65 Seductress. It's like a liquid lipstick. It's one of the newer colors. And putting this on my lips. And then I use my, what is this called? My Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And set my face. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys liked it. Yeah, I'm very, very excited to play more with this palette and to have a palette that has all of these like good neutrals. Like, and it's just like really pretty. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I hit 600 subscribers recently and I was so excited. Oh my god. Like, yeah. But yeah, I hope that you like the video, and I hope that you like the video. See what I did there? No? That's okay. Anyways, I will see you guys very soon. Yeah. Bye.